December 7th is just around the corner, and Ghanaians will soon cast their votes to elect a leader to steer the affairs of the nation. Though the atmosphere has been polluted by a number of scandals, politicians and their supporters are still in the political spirit, hoping to convince the last electorate of their reasons to be either elected or re-elected into office. Party flags, decorative and strategic campaigning still lingers until 7th December 2020 when Ghanaians will decide. WeBe News took its cameras round some parts of Abossey-Okai, a spare parts market at Kaneshie, where many believe was key to the 2016 election decision to find out their preparedness towards the upcoming elections. Juliet Abana was on the ground and has filed this report.
I am reporting from Kaneshie, Abossey-Okai. I am here to have interaction with the people here to know their opinion about this coming election. So, in Boabua Ben, Wayafa election, we work 4 days penny a vote.
Oh, Boabua me home. Send me a share my seats name one. Oh, any air co, any fee 2016 and another basso. Nya waye nya mehu nya mate what I say eno na mehwe ho ayeden e de atoma ba ntimi de maboaboa me ho deda wo sha ho na be wini me de me hwe mu a na nado na be wini me pese na nado wini enti na wo kasa ade a oka enyina no even onye ni nyina o but waye bi first thing no kra no free education me ba no enye bi but my sister am di na chi ba den enye mu enti ne no kra no eso me bo te eno nti na am say na na do be
oh abatwa we de ese ya akensie ye nyina ye wodosi hum ye nya mpie ye December 7th Monday no ase nyina ye beba park no so ye ba de to aba de every Monday Tuesday Wednesday e na obi aba hu we na be kɔ position we na be kɔ aban o mi da me nya yanka mahama kwayanka eye ade me de ase mahama kwaye na eye anka won on se awiase won ye bibifo no anukore ka no eye di ama ye papa Ghana ha ye mpa nukore wo to antro de nipa bebebe di ochi enso wo kan nukore de wo hu nipa mienu alo miensa pe na be di ochi ya asasem na wo kae no wo ka sem papa tafra che mahama bai no so obesi secondary school 200 and something wo ba no wasibi ye say hwe sitramu ato abapa
o mi ankasa de me hwe masese na me hwe the way o man so am the way na ko no manage hu me de penisa aban de me di mani 2 on me de emre so an e be hwe me de ka me ko de ekofo because on divina mini bi Ghana ye nyina ye dia because you say nyanya insurance why insurance am you see anu am free water free light bill on one echo for more o say de mafuso de Ghana for ni say Ghana ye pento kwa bibi asundue montwe na emre no so na kokromoti power no ekwa che ni tumi enya anu
voting ya okosi de me shade okona it's I can see because said I dey no kono omuwadi me kasa omunya de na me boa mama baby and na kufa do sa baby e san kofo mienu na o ma baby no yombo obi achi enje obi ade ba kon e son time me drink Ghana I me di Ghana fo yanse obi aba num de oye na obi asoba so oye de fata because no waye bi eya ofia ese wo boss because sometimes me find say bi adiska na eya mu kagina mu be yedwuma no Ganiska na okufado ni nyuma oye no waye adwuma free education of band ya me anim ni me kasa wanya ade da me bo waye ade ankasa so me time no do that time no aka my free ka me go school ni bi but do me time but ene adwuma ma so ni nyuma so no so be ye no so waye bi ama Ghana man utase ba de bia me ka say minyuma akoso ye pe peace our man ye mpentokwa utase abato na boto no ye ntokwa na ye gidigidi because Ghana pe peace. Ghana Kwame Nkrumah man. Man bi a osha man to the peace na ye na de. Je say e peace near the to aba. Mesra boso wakafo nyina say mesra mu. Mu for peace ko to aba. De ye wonim say ko to ama no no kwa no wato ama no. Mo asem nka wotim. Man kwa nka jan ka say we NDC, we MPP. To ko to ama MPP u ka ese. Mi gina e woni party be be metuma ka say me NDC. Next time say twa mo me say me MPP. Me floating prayer me to ma ba mo obia. Ti mesra mu. Peace na me pe ka.
O me da say me hwe enema aban we ba so. Wa be ya wa free education and wo fa asefo nyina be ko bi free aya nyom ka preba dia na me hwe say etoma nanado won we san nyuma pa wa be den wa be ya mani penti ena nanado ba ye kura ne oman a yatimi agbo coronavirus ho bra ese ama hodo ni nyina utim say reti a ye ne the second country a yatimi aye den agbo coronavirus ho bra timi me hwe ne akoyi a na say etoma form na ye ma ne to aso ofutu amoma Ghana for say obi anya din na election e ba anya gidigidi anya ntokwa okọ anu akogina ballot box no a kire wa adwen na akonso a dwen say nya okoto ama no obeboa o ansa na wa ye den wa to ama no enya say okoye partisan politics me ye agbeni die esem Thomas Masi me ya santini die esem Thomas Masi da bi dwen na unsa de okoto ama no obenya mfa so papa bi aye den afrim ansa na wa ye den wa to aba na ama no
ahombobo de ayi beble power bosoka because Nana Akufo-Addo buy no abo nipa beble business ekoso 1 or 2 niam beble ekoso first na Matis I friend Matis 3 uba no to mama time no na eyi no 7,500 Akufo-Addo buy obetiti duty so ma bosoka for no se sia eyi no 6,000 enti abo amepa enti afiye to ama no first no na school bi de say Presec Academy Accra Academy Kumasi prempe no no ya santoam school no na ska forma na eko ene zesia obi wo hwehwe kula no a ne batumi kosa school no bi afutu ma Ghana fo nyina ne se me de se last na police ni pani ba ko kasa wo se ada e beto ba mamoto bi antu omo nyina mu pinti mamoto entu ene ye first second Ghana ni bi anti ase se adwuma wo ye no anhwemu anya unidi enti no obi a obesole se bi a ya bone pa onko ye course bi obabi eto abane ade no obi ahwe so obetwa so obeto abane kama problem bi ama ye hwemu ato agum ama Nana Akufo-Addo am ato ne numa pass.
Okay, with this election there kakra metimi aka ne say pani bi besuma ana some interwantawa bi sisi ewo mu a you understand obetwe ho afiri ho because this morning I was an eyewitness because until the American say to the youth no ye the next generation they say chalky na ye koto aba no won say ye to aba enye ntokwa say me ne wonya adwen a no ngire say ye atamfo warriors here and one advice is made to me assign a truth to the pastors and they say we win they are not the electoral commission warriors here they so mo forget it let's vote 7 December no ye koto aba na ni ehu di we win na me ka che youth nyina say ye koto aba nye gidi nye ho so na be she party atare bi ade akwakoto da bi menye sa ade no wo decision enka otirim nya ka otirim kwa de akwa pa otu wi ase otoma na gum mahama anybody need them Charlie when your party wins Ghana has won you understand say be this peace now yeah enjoy and we can enjoy it forever because you to me go Togo you to me go Benin me mete fanti I'm a fanti boy mete fanti ne bro for person be Togo French ni ade na me to me nka what I say to the youth and nkokra ne benefit will be to the politicians some of the utterances are very bad what I say they speak for war they shouldn't speak like that cause an embra from bibia ye cool na ye nto abani because we've witnessed Rwanda Liberia ni ade omo nyina yesu bebe ko kaso Liberia campaign na due to because of election nti say obi papa adwuma ye kopama no and abasa anti misra wo hwe me afie talanku ade say obeto ana hunto but it is your national responsibility say to aba so aba ni akofie na koda ko TV resource ne ba na ya magana anya because I need you also need me na Ghana I fine
Medase.
That was a report by Juliet Abana for Ribi News, Accra.